Alright, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka CrimeFX, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if any of you is looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, straight up, you guys are in the wrong stream. But if you guys are looking to learn how to trade these markets the right way, and of course if you're looking to learn the profitable forex strategy and see it in action live, then stick around guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Also, we're not financial advisors, so please, any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Give me a quick second, I'm going to put the message on. We're live for NY. Okay, and I was running a little late today, so I still have to chart gold up for my Goldie traders. And I know there are quite a few of you. Oopsie. Give me a second. Okay, good. Let's go. I hope you guys had a good London session. Cash was telling me the markets moved pretty well, so I hope you guys made your pips. I'm going to start to share my screen in a quick second. Cool. Let me know when y'all see my screen. Okay, do you guys see my screen? Let's get them pips. What's up, you guys? What's up? Good morning, bro. Breathe. I am so used to the intro. I say it in my sleep. I'm not even kidding. Gold's tanking. Morning, fam. Good morning, Omkar. Zero. What's up, you guys? Deep Mind. What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Good morning. Okay. What's up, Frosty, my man? Good morning. Hi, Jay. How's it going, brother? How's it going? I hope you're doing well. Great, guys. So let's get started. Okay. I've charted up US 30, or the way I like to call it, the dirty and nasty for you guys. Okay. So let's take a quick look at the US 30. We pretty much are in a nice little uptrend with healthy retracements, as you guys can see. So we had the push down. So we pushed all the way, we went high, came back down, started an uptrend, boom, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're struggling a little bit now. Okay, I am seeing a potential bullish trend reversal pattern that could be kicking into these markets as well. So maybe that's a market open sort of a move. We're gonna have to see how things start to play out. But for now, let's take a quick look at the RSI. The RSI could be bullish or bearish. We have tested out the the overbought area once, but we just didn't have the momentum to break past it. So let's see if we actually want to start to push back up, break that 70, and then maybe start to make our way down. Okay, but nonetheless, we're still going to look for a short position on the break of this region. Okay, y'all know where your stop losses can be, right there. Or if you're going to be conservative, then you can have your stop loss over there. Okay, and you have a nice zone to zone move over here, and if we happen to break that for our support, we could most likely even push further, but we're gonna have to see how that plays out. Okay, and similar story on Nasdaq. We want to break this and maybe push down further, or for my one-on-ones, this is for you guys. If you all want to have a quick in and out scalp, we break that 5-minute resistance, we head up to the supply zone. Okay, and you could do a similar thing for the US 30. Okay, good. I'm gonna chart up gold for you guys. Do you guys want me to do gold, or do you all want me to do like an FX pair? I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Okay, what do y'all want me to do? Do y'all want me to chart up gold, or do y'all want me to do maybe GBP USD or USD CAD or oil, whatever you guys want? I'm gonna I don't care. I'll do freaking ETH if you guys want. Okay, because price action works everywhere. So let me know what you guys want me to do. Okay, we have a clear winner. Okay, we have a clear winner, and it's gold. Awesome. Okay, let's do gold. Okay, so on the daily, as you guys can see, the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the past 10 days have been extremely bearish. We're finally starting to pick up some buyers, or in your technical mumbo jumbo trading words, we're building into some very simple demand down in this region. Okay, if you extend it to the left, you'll see this is the region where price picked up their buyers, where the buyers got triggered. And if we pull it to the left, you'll also see that it's the same region that once acted up as supply, right? So just like support flips to resistance and resistance flips to support, we also have supply that flips to demand and demand that flips to supply. If someone tells you otherwise, stay away from them because they don't know what they're talking about. Okay, so we're coming into some potential buyers over here, but this is the daily time frame. That being said, even this drop on the daily time frame to test out that demand could be a nice little zone. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have to watch, we're gonna have to monitor, and we're gonna have to see how price wants to react. Okay, so let's quickly start the analysis. I'm gonna take the highest point of today's candle as our daily resistance, and I'd be happy to grab this region as our daily support. Okay, and then let's switch over to the 4H. Okay, what's happening on the 4H? One-on-ones, what are we seeing? Come on, we don't have too much time, be quick, we've got 5 minutes. Thank you, Kyle. Yes, we are seeing some pretty clear distribution that's playing out in these markets as of right now. This distribution could be one of two things, okay? We could be a bearish trend, distribute, and continue. That's possibility number one. Or we could be the bearish trend, distribute, and reversal. Okay, so either or, we still have our structure marked out. Okay, so that's a good thing. Let's now go ahead and catch that as our 4 resistance, and we don't have too much information to work with over here minus the wicks, so we're gonna catch it on the lower time frame. Okay, let's switch over to the 4H. I want you guys to note, okay, it's getting clearer and clearer as we move down to the lower time frames. Okay, and now we have this area that's currently acting up as support. So let's go ahead and add up some early support right there. Okay, good. We don't need any resistance. Let's switch over to the 15s. Look at that same zone of distribution, the structure zone we talked about. Look at how it is on the 15 minutes. Okay, pretty crazy, but yes, as long as there's a chart and it has candles, there's also going to be historical data to go with it. Okay, and that's all we need as technical traders to identify the potential moves that could be coming into these markets where we could be making some money. All right, so I'm going to switch this up. I'm going to catch a new 15-minute level here. Okay, and let's switch over to the 5 minutes. Okay, so now we've got some very clear, we've got a nice clear zone over here. Okay, I'm gonna catch this as our 5-minute buying level. If you want to be safer, you could also catch that level, but my one-on-ones, you guys know why I'm putting this on. Okay, so we have some 5-minute resistance that's coming in over here. What are these markets telling us right now? They're telling us that we are currently picking up some buyers. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's add up some demand. And where are those sellers going to potentially come in? Based off of historic data, where did they come in? They came in right at this region here. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's mark up supply. Okay, we've got 2 minutes. I hope I was able to break down the analysis to you guys, and I hope I usually don't do too many of these analysis live for y'all, but when I'm in the mood, you guys are lucky. Okay, so I hope y'all now see how it is that we look at these charts. I'm going to move this up here just to be a little safer. Okay, and I'm going to bring this right there. Looks good. Let's take a quick look at the RSI. The RSI could have a push down and then a push back up, or it could just really start to pop. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're looking for buys above that 5-minute resistance. Y'all know where your stop losses are. Okay, and we're looking for the short positions on the break of this demand if we have the momentum to successfully flip this to supply. TP1, that zone. Okay, sorry guys, I know I haven't gotten a chance to look at the chat, but I will. Okay, bear with me. Can you post this video on YouTube? It will be up on YouTube because I'm streaming on YouTube right now as well. Mikey, how's it going, bro? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, please be careful of your spreads. 30 seconds to go. All right, so we've got everything charted up. Fix this. If you're in on this trade, it should be only a feeler, but y'all know where the move is. It's there now. Okay? Be careful. Let's have a good one. If you're not comfortable, wait for price to do its thing, you guys. All right, this is news in the next 10 seconds. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, the sign to take it bullish. Let's see. Okay, and now balance of trade, Canadian news. Let's see how they want to hold here. All right, guys, don't fall into the trap of the liquidity. Okay, I do think that this can really start a push down, but this is a zone that needs to be filled. Okay, so don't get too greedy. Wait for it. If you're getting in on anything, let it be a feeler. Okay, gold. Look at that. This is the power of doing your analysis the right way, right? You now know the range of price, and we had that range of price before this candle even came through. Okay, so be careful. All right, I'm in on Nasdaq, small position, nothing too big. Okay, maybe I should have gotten in on a bigger position because they're really starting to drop. But it's okay. I'm not stressing about it. Small positions, small gains, and you compound your account up the right way. Okay? Goldie's trolling? Yes, it is. It's just giving us that kiss of our entry up there and down here as well. Okay, sorry guys, I'm just staring at my MetaTrader. I'm watching Nasdaq and US 30, US 30 and Nasdaq. Okay. I'm gonna set an order for Nasdaq down below here if I can be quick enough. All right, so give me a second. And I'm in with a feeler, right? Well, not a feeler, slightly larger than a feeler, but I'm in with a small position. Okay, let's see. They can completely wick back up. I don't want you guys to be in any sort of big positions right now. Okay, let the candle close. Y'all know what we're looking for. We've been doing these streams for a year, and we've been trading live in front of you guys for a whole year. Y'all know we're looking for the close, the retest, the rejection, and the break. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Hi, Sham. How's it going, buddy? Okay, gold's not moving. Is anyone in on Nasdaq with me? Is anyone in on Nasdaq? Or US 30? Okay, let's flip this guy up to supply. Alright, we're also going to be building into some demand over here. I want you guys to keep that in mind. Okay, so maybe for this move, the quick retest and the rejection could actually be the move, okay? Because even if we go up to retest that region and we come to get that wick fill, that's a nice 17 pip move. You guys know me. I like to scout the shit out of these markets. So if they want to do that, I'm going to just get in for 10 pips on the wick fill and get out, okay? All right, they're really trying to push. A minute and 23 to go. Okay, I'm in with my 50 bucks, you guys. I'm in with my 50 bucks. I'm going to change it to break even. All right, I want you all to note, and I'm running big time right now. I want you all to note that I have dropped my lot sizes majorly, okay? Because the volume and liquidity in this market right now and for the next couple of months are going to be beautiful. All right, so I'm going to move into a break-even position. 75% close. Great job, Sunita. Great job. Good going. Okay, I'm in a break-even position myself. And I'm running for 50 bucks a pip, about 700. 1,000, there you go. There you go. We are dropping. We're trying to hit TP. I'm gonna liquidate some of this, you guys, because I don't want to be greedy. Okay, I'm gonna liquidate some of this and be happy. Okay, we're still trying. We're still there. You go. I'm running by 1800 close. This is a big ass move. I want to see W's in the chat. I want to know how many of you guys are catching this with me. It is dropping across the board. Lovely, lovely. Let's see how this closes in the next 6 seconds, and maybe we start to pick back up. But if we close below that 4H, the move is still coming. You guys, let's get those W's going. Lovely. I'm running by 1700 right now, and my smaller position is also running. I'm in this market with $10 a pip and $50 a pip, and I am minting some goddamn money right now. W's, I love the W's coming in. Okay, I'm liquidating my positions, fuck it. Alright, I just closed 1500, so 50 bucks a pip. I closed 30 pips, 1500. I'm happy. I now have $10 a pip that's still running in this market, and I am up by about 300 bucks on that move. Who caught that with me, you guys? I love it. I love it. We're printing money 100%. 100%. Beautiful. Now I don't give two shits if this market wants to reverse on me or if it wants to still push down. I still have $10 running. If it wants to go further and give me another 20 pips, who am I to complain, right? Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I want to know what you guys caught. Did you guys catch US 30 or did y'all catch NASDAQ? I was in on NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks so juicy to me based off of that. Look good. And gold is just being gold. Stay away from it, all right? When these markets do, when you have clear charts in front of you, you don't need to be trading this shop, is what I'm trying to say, okay? I'm in on a break-even position, and this was my first position that I took in this region. But I'm on it, you guys. Okay, so let's do an exercise. If you guys want to maybe trail your stop loss with me, let's trail our stop losses, okay? So what I am going to do now is I'm going to change my stop loss to this region on the chart. So I'm not going to have a break-even stop loss anymore, but I'm going to be bulking. Look at that, we're dropping. This is intense, you guys. Intense. I'm up by 60 goddamn pips on this. Let's do it. And we're still dropping. We're still dropping. Who's catching that with me? Flip my account? Crazy. Okay. Set your stop losses, guys. Listen to me. Set your stop losses for this level right here. Okay. So I'm going to mark this up as the trailing SL. Okay. Find that level on your MetaTrader and trail your stop losses with me. This is another free lesson for you guys today, okay? Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm in a good mood. Let's make some money together. Okay, how many of y'all are trailing this stop loss? How many of y'all are on this? This is crazy. This is fucking crazy. I love it. Gold still testing out that demand zone. I'm done for the day, you guys. I'm up by 1,500, and as of right now, $737. So I'm up with a good amount for today. Okay, gold's dropping. Oh my god! Who's catching this? Anyone in on gold right now? Intense, intense. All right, where are we headed to on gold? We're headed straight to the daily support. Nice. Sexy freaking 30 pip impulse. Beautiful. And that's that. We're gonna come into some demand over here. I'm not gonna be greedy, you guys. I'm gonna liquidate my position further. Okay, what I mean by that is out of the $10 that I have in these markets, I am now gonna pull out 5 and let 5 run on a BE stop loss. Okay, okay, pulled out 5 for $400. I'm happy. Okay, and let's get it. Gold still dropping. Oh my. How many people are making money on gold right now? Come on, you guys. What a day. What a day. I feel bad for the people that didn't turn up today. Because it doesn't get cleaner than this. I mean that. I mean that. It doesn't get cleaner than this. Hello, sir. Hi, Arfat. How are you doing, buddy? This is what I mean. This is why I liquidated about 350, 370 bucks on this, okay? Because I was expecting buyers or demand to step in over here like I just told you guys, okay? So now I'm going to change my stop loss. Again, if you're still trailing your stop losses with me, let's have this as our new stop loss, okay? I'm going to do that. Give me a quick second. Damn it, guys. I'm literally spoon feeding y'all. That's crazy. 14889.61. Okay. Trail your stop losses with me, okay? Let's get that. Let's get that. 1% with only a Corolla. Lovely, brother. Congratulations. I'm done for the day, you guys. This is what I keep telling y'all, man. We are not like the streamers that come and stay on for 3, 4, and 5 hours every day. We don't do that. We like coming in, streaming for maybe 30 minutes. Sometimes we've had streams that have only lasted 10 minutes, and we trade with Catalyst, with Market Open, with news, and we get the hell out of these markets. Okay, crazy. Okay, anyone still in on Nasty with me? We're catching this, you guys. We really are. I love it. That's a 56 pip move. We're catching it. Anyone trading gold? You were trading GU? Oh, yeah, Cash was trading GU. And she made some money. I'm in a gold sell from 1821.56. Nice. Anyone in on the dirty? Clean moves, you guys. What a day. What a day. And trail your stop losses on the dirty as well. Okay, have this as your stop loss, this region, okay, and trail it. Make sure you're booking your profits. Keep liquidating, keep booking, okay? You'll remember what I told you, right? A lot of traders and a lot of streamers, because price had already been oversold, would keep telling you, look for these buys, look for these buys, look for these buys. What did we do? We caught the sells. Intense. Okay, we're now going to test out this daily level. Gold 130, boom. Congratulations, brother. Rajendra Prasad Das, good stuff. Why gold dropped so late? Because any sort of speech is always going to take time, right? That's why. Hold or not, Pulkit. We are scalpers. We don't hold too long. We literally are in on trades for a couple of minutes, 1 candle, 2 candles, and we're out. If I were you, I would be out of gold, or I'd at least liquidate some of my position. What happened? What? No. Why? You said you're going to keep it overnight?
No, I can't.
Jill. I made 967. Congratulations, man. That's some big money. Good for you. Good for you. This is it, you guys. This is what we do here at Forex Trading every single goddamn trading day. Not just for New York, but for New York and for London. It's pretty crazy to think about it because no one is giving you guys this sort of value for free. I promise y'all that. The only thing that we ask for in return from you guys are some lousy success stories. Okay? It'll take you guys a minute and you'll continue to enjoy this free service that we provide you guys. Cash is saying she didn't get any success stories despite of having a great London session. You guys are slacking. You guys are being lazy. Go ahead and post up success stories. I'm not even kidding, okay? Because if Cash and I decide to not do these streams, you're going to have to pay someone $500, $800, or $1,000 a month to give you an analysis that's not even going to be 50% of what we do. Be grateful. Gratitude is a very, very big thing. We function based off of that. And the only thing that we try to do for you guys over here is provide y'all with value, okay? So please, I request y'all, to go ahead and post up. Cram, can you do 3 screens? I could do it right now as well, but the truth is it just gets too cluttered for me, buddy, so I don't really like that, and which is why we usually do 2 and 2. Not giving Cash a props is so wrong. I agree. The woman is always there for you guys, and she's always helping you all out. Gives you all her crazy analysis, and she's a beast in these markets. You all know it, okay? So give us the love for the time and the effort that we put in to produce these streams for you guys, okay? And people on YouTube, I know there are not too many of y'all, but you'll see the Discord link in our description. Go ahead and join it. It's absolutely free. There is a lag on YouTube, so you could just hop on to the Zoom call that we have going on simultaneously, okay? Good. Success stories pouring in. For the one-on-ones, if any of you are interested in learning how we trade these markets, how we scalp these markets as aggressively as we do, how we just look at these markets and make our way through them, go ahead and join the one-on-one session. Say hi on the general chat. Cash FX, my gorgeous wife and lovely partner, will hook you guys up with all of the details that you all need. All right, guys, I'm liquidating my position. Screw it. Okay, I'm not going to give up on 370 bucks that I still have running. Okay, I have pulled out my position in its entirety. I have made 767 on my smaller position, and I made 1550 on my bigger position. I'm done for the day. What a freaking insane goddamn day. I love it. I love it. Crap. Just wanted to ask you, can you give opinion? Please. Well, message me. Okay, how about that? Trader with no money? We'll talk. So broker's name, please. Okay, brokers' names. Listen, we don't have any affiliations, nothing of that sort. All right, so it's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. All right, it depends on your region, guys. This is also why I liquidated my position. You know, remember what I said? That demand, right? But yeah, it depends on your region, it depends on where you're from, it depends on what you guys are willing to invest. You have the prop firms, you have the retail accounts, but I'm going to be very, very honest with you guys. Do not bank on the prop firms, because everyone knows what happened with the whole ordeal with MFF, and let's not... Listen, if I have to be honest with you all and tell you all straight up, no one's going to become a millionaire based off of these Forex funded accounts, okay? You'll need to eventually trade your own capital, your own money, okay? So having a funded account is good, but make sure that you'll also have your own retail account. Be it a small account that you eventually grow, that's fine. But if you ask me, $500 is a good amount of money for you to get started and for you to make money, okay? So hopefully in the future we will have more affiliations. If you guys have any questions about these things, message Cash FX or message me. I may or may not reply because I have too many DMs, but Cash will definitely help you guys with it. Exactly. Thank you. Trader with no money. I love your name, by the way. Funded account for capital building. That's exactly what we did, right? That's exactly what we did. So try and grow your smaller retail accounts, and remember to always have the funded accounts only as your secondary and not your primary mode of making money, okay? 30 minutes, job done, can't complain. Absolutely, brother. Sudeep Vlogs, hey, can you a good prop firm for scalping in India? Again, I cannot comment on this, but the only thing that I'll tell you is an account that we personally use as well, FTMO. Apart from that, Funded Next exists, it's good, but I have my trust in FTMO because I've used them earlier as well, okay? Oops, my bad. Oh wait, you asked India. Okay, so FTMO doesn't work for clients in India. We don't hold our accounts here in India, so we're able to use it. But for y'all, then Funded Next is the only other option, but I cannot vouch for that, okay? Hardik, views on XNES. Message Cash about this. She'll help you, okay? We're also testing out some brokers. I have some more money invested in other brokers as we speak. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but message Cash and she will... are you Roar123? If you are, she'll message you. Okay, and also for the one-on-ones. Listen, if you guys want to join, now's the time. Okay, now's the time. Which one am I using? I'm using HankoTrade, and I'm testing out another broker at this time. So till everything's not set, I'm not going to give the name. But yeah, thank you for the beautiful session, Kram. Thank you, buddy. You're always welcome. We're always here for our army of millionaires. Okay. All right, guys. Listen, what I need you all to do now is very simple. I need you all to go on to you know what? Actually, Zoom. Hold on, I'm gonna end YouTube and come back. Thank you so much, YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. We will see you all tomorrow, and just keep joining us, okay? If you haven't joined our Forex server, which is absolutely free, make sure to go on to go into the description and get joined up for free, okay? And join the Zoom calls. All right, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all, YouTube. I will catch you all tomorrow. Cheers, take it easy. Khudafis. Okay, YouTube's done. Crazy session, crazy day. I loved it. Okay, I hope you guys made your money. I literally walked you all through with the trailing stops as well today. Beautiful move on Nasdaq, beautiful move on gold as well, and the US 32, right? So across the board, we got the moves. Everything went bearish. If you guys are going to be trading market open, you'll need to be more careful, because understand that the after effects of news are most likely going to play out for market open. All right, so please be careful, and if you're done trading for the day, you're done trading for the day. Don't be greedy. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy freaking day. Let's make it a day to learn rather than thinking of a day to make money. Okay, I promise you that, because tomorrow the moves will really kick in. For the ones that don't know, it is NFP Friday, so we are gonna have the non-farm payrolls, which arguably is the biggest news release that happens every month. So you guys want to come on, you guys want to make sure you bring as many people as you can. Let your families know, let your friends know. If there are people that you think you want to introduce to Forex trading, tomorrow is the perfect day to make that happen. Okay, so make sure that you guys hop on, get people on, and post up success stories for us. Okay, the people that had questions about the brokers, Cash will help you all. Message Cash and she will fill you guys in. Okay, like I keep saying, we're building a goddamn army of millionaires over here, and it's up to you. If you want to join up, now's the time, because if you guys are going to be lazy, if you guys are not going to take control of your own life, you're not going to be able to experience financial freedom. Okay, and Forex trading is something that's really changed our lives, and we just want to be able to make that happen for you guys as well. Okay, really appreciate y'all. Thank you all so much. I freaking love you guys. Y'all know it. I will catch y'all tomorrow. I'm Mark, aka KramFX, and my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Take it easy. Peace.